Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to apologize in advance if this whole setup looks very strange. It feels very strange. I'm filming in a completely different location and I'm actually using my usual desk, so there are cables lying everywhere. I've tried to like shuffle things as best I can, but the desk that I typically use for filming doesn't actually get used very often. As you can tell, I don't upload very often, and so it has turned into a bit of a storage table. Let's just go with that. So I don't even know if I'm going to keep it because I don't feel like I use it enough. And I think if this setup that I'm doing here kind of works out, this is like my active desk. So there is like dirt and pencil markings and stuff on here. But if this actually works out, then I feel like I might just start filming from here. I'm also filming my phone, so not even using my nice camera, but my nice camera doesn't fit on this like ad hoc tripod that I've got going here. So yeah, we're kind of all over the place, but we're going to make it work. And if it does work, I might just keep doing this, and then I can actually utilize that space for other things, because clearly I have a lot of other things that I could use it for. So anyways, today's video is a Zenpop box unboxing video for August. I have been so slow at uploading these videos. I think I've already missed July. I filmed July when I got it, like in June, but I haven't uploaded it because I haven't gotten around to editing the video, and I'm still not sure if I'm going to upload it. However, by the time you see this video, you'll have known whether I uploaded it or not. Probably will upload it because it is still July, so I still have time, but I feel so bad with how slow I am. Alright, so let's get into August. Oh, this seems really plain, but I actually really like this outline. And I hope the audio is good. I'm trying to talk up to my phone, but I think I might need a mic or something at some point if it doesn't work out. But let's just see how we go. So this first item, it looks like a hair clip, to be honest, but it's actually just to keep 2 pages open, which is actually going to be perfect because I'm having issue when I write in my Hobonichi. Sometimes I just want it to lay flat, and I really struggle with that. So let me test it out on like an arbitrary page somewhere. So if I did this, hey, that works. That's cool. Whoops. Okay, that's really useful. I'm definitely keeping this. I'm going to be using this for my Hobonichi now. Next item is glue tape. Yes, can never have enough glue tape from Tombow. And then we've got these like to-do post-it notes, which is actually kind of useful. I'm going to open it up because it looks like it's just like a roll of posts of to-do lists, but you can cut it off wherever you need. And it's actually paper. Like, it's not like washi tape or anything. It's actual, oops, sorry, I'm still getting used to this setup, looking up and down. But it's actually paper. I love that. Yeah, so it's supposed to look like this. Then we have a notebook. Maruman, just tiny standard notebook. Guys, how cute is this? This is the problem. Stuff like this, super cute. Functional? Not really. I'm not super great. Could I use the word super anymore? I'm not really great. Yeah, that's not much better at using tiny stationery. I like the idea, but when it comes down to it, I just want to be comfortable. And I'm not really traveling so much that I need to have tiny versions of everything. But it is cute. All these like beautiful color pencils. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to give this to anyone. I'm going to keep this like the holder I am. It's just so cute. And then we have, oh my gosh, another mini. I'll test this one. I think, I'm not sure if I'll test these pencils, but I'll definitely test this one. It's just a little gel pen, 0.5. Oh, okay, this seems really mundane. It's essentially just like this. It's just like a cutter, but I really need them. I need like multiple of these all over the house because I'm constantly opening things, and I prefer to use blades and scissors to open boxes, and then I constantly misplace them because they're so small. Struggling to get out. But the one I have here is from Muji. I've used it to death. It's actually really gross. And guys, did you know, because I didn't, that these lines, I don't know if you can see, like, these diagonal lines, that's actually where you're supposed to, when the blade gets blunt, you just snap them off. I had no idea you're supposed to do that. That's what they're there for. Well, now I know. Anyways, it's essentially the same thing, just a different brand. So this is perfect. I use this all the time and it's going to be great. It's actually, this is a little more comfortable to hold than the one from Muji. And then we have a little mini just sticky note, but in the shape of the box, which is very cute. And then these are mini folders. Mini folder. Let me see what this looks like. Okay, it's literally, I'm gonna like half make it here, but you kind of get the idea. Just put your files in here. Notebook, there's notebook one here. It's cute, but it's very like not functional, and I don't know if I would use it, so I might have to give it to somebody else. But that is everything in this month or August's Zenpop box. Let's go test out those pencils and pen. I don't know how zoomed in I can get without the quality degrading, so I'm gonna just go with this zoom in. I mean, this pen is a uni pen? Yes, it's a Uniball 1 pen. So the Uniball 1 pen range is really good. The quality is amazing. The ink is really great. And the full versions feel really great. This one is a mini version and I'm not a big fan. It just feels uncomfortable. Like I definitely couldn't write for a very long time. I think I already have one of these from a previous Zenpop box and it doesn't get used, so I don't see me using this one very much. But if you are looking for a really smooth, like non-skipping gel pen that's comfortable, I definitely recommend the Uniball line. Also from Uni are these color pencils. I'm just gonna try a couple of these. I don't want to try all of them. I mean, okay, these are good pencils. They feel really good. Yeah, I mean, if you're anything like me, I've gotten really into coloring books, especially because I'm still on maternity leave, so I spend a lot of time breastfeeding my baby and more on the couch, and so I end up doing a lot of coloring, and I could go through this in like a week. I just burn through a lot of textures and pencils and stuff now, so this is great, but this is more for like an occasional use travel sort of ideal. So yeah, that is everything in August's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Fingers crossed future Celina is not cringing at how terrible this video has come across or filmed or whatever, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.